It's used in fighter jets, spacecraft, medical implants, and even inside the human body. Titanium is one of the most incredible metals on Earth. But what makes it so special? And why is making it so unbelievably difficult? Titanium is everywhere. In fact, it's one of the most abundant metals in Earth's crust. So if there's so much of it, why is titanium so expensive? Because titanium is extremely difficult to extract and process, not because it's rare, but because it's incredibly reactive at high temperatures. Titanium usually comes from minerals like ilmenite and rutile. These ores are mined from the ground, but the titanium inside is chemically bonded to oxygen, and separating them is the hard part. First, the ore is processed into a chemical called titanium tetrachloride. This happens in a high-temperature reaction involving chlorine gas and carbon. The result? A strange liquid that looks nothing like metal. Then comes the most important stage, the Kroll process. Titanium tetrachloride is mixed with molten magnesium inside a sealed environment with almost no oxygen. Why remove oxygen? Because hot titanium reacts aggressively with oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen. If exposed, the metal becomes brittle and weak. After the chemical reaction finishes, what's left behind is called titanium sponge. It's rough, porous, and doesn't yet look like the shiny metal you recognize. The sponge is then melted under extremely controlled conditions, often using vacuum arc furnaces. This removes impurities and forms solid titanium ingots. Titanium has an incredible strength-to-weight ratio. It's as strong as many types of steel, but much lighter. And unlike steel, it resists corrosion extremely well. That's why titanium is heavily used in aircraft, rockets, submarines, and high-performance engineering. In aerospace, every kilogram matters. Titanium is also biocompatible. That means the human body usually accepts it very well. So it's commonly used in bone implants, dental implants, and medical devices. But titanium still has one major problem: cost. The extraction process is complex, energy-intensive, and expensive, which is why titanium products often cost much more than steel or aluminum. But as manufacturing technology improves, titanium is becoming more accessible, and many engineers believe it could play a huge role in the future of transportation, aerospace, medicine, and advanced technology. Titanium isn't rare because there's too little of it. It's rare because turning it into usable metal is incredibly difficult. Now you know.